Hello, my happy kindergarten and first grade friends. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing great. It is Wednesday, December 9th, PE class. Today, we are going to do brain primers 10 and 11. This is going to involve clapping, stepping with our feet. You're going to have to know your right and your left. Oh, by the way, you may notice that I have this little glove on my hand here. The reason for that is I've been doing a lot of clapping and my skin is dry and I got some cuts on this hand, so the glove is protecting those cuts. No need to worry. Okay, so brain primers number 10 is what we're going to do first. Okay, so on brain primers number 10, we do a clap on number 1. So let's do that together, and you can join me in doing that. Ready? 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Let's do it again, and 1, 2, 3. That's enough. Okay, so now we know what 1 is. What is 2? Well, 2 is where you have to know your right from your left. Okay, so 2 is this. Ready? It is right, left. Notice that I use my right foot first, then my left foot. Okay? Remember, the trick to remembering your right and left is to look at your hand. If it makes the letter L, that means that's your left hand because it's a real L. Notice that's not a real L. That's a backwards L. You have to know your alphabet. You have to know your letters to be able to know your right from left. At least you have to know your letters to know it this way. There are other ways to remember your right from left, but you have to remember your right from left. So I'm checking now. Okay, this is my left, and this is my right. Okay, so number 2 is right, left. So that's this one first, followed by this one. Ready? Let's do this. 1, right, left, 3, and 4, and 1. Right, left, 3, and 4, and 1. Right, left, 3, and 4. One more time. 1, right, left, 3, and 4. Okay, so that's good. Now let's put the clap. Remember, that was what 1 was. Let's put the clap together with the right and left. Okay? Let's do this. Ready? 3, 4, 1, right, left, 3, and 4, and 1. Right, left, 3, and 4, and 1. Right, left, 3, and 4, and 1. Right, left, 3, and 4. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Coach, what's number 3? You're also thinking, Coach, how come your hat's on backwards? Well, sometimes I just like to wear it that way. You can, if you're wearing a baseball cap, you can turn it around backwards if you want to. Oh, you already did. That's right. Number 3 is a clap. Ready? We'll just do the number 3 clap first, and then we'll put it with the other stuff. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you remember what 1 and 2 were. 1 was a clap, 2 was a right, left, and then 3 was a clap. Let's put it all together. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. You're doing good. And 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. So good. Now, if you're having trouble with that, just pause the tape here and practice that until you get it. Clap, right, left, clap, and 4. But if you're ready for number 4, let's keep going. So number 4 is a little trickier because the first time you go through, number 4 is a right foot, then the next time it's a left foot. Then it comes back to right, then it comes back to left. So it switches. Let's just practice number 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, right, 1, 2, 3, and left, 1, 2, 3, and right, 1, 2, 3, and left. Let's do it again. 2, 3, and right, 1, 2, 3, and left. So you have to keep track of which one you're on, okay? Do you think we can put all that together? Let's try it. What do you say? Come on, people. I know you can do this. So, 1, 2, ready, go. Clap, right, left. Clap and right. Clap, right, left. Clap and a left. Clap, right, left. Clap. You're doing good. Clap, right, left. I love how you're doing. Clap, right, left. Clap and right. Clap, right, left. Clap and a left. Woohoo! That's really good. Now, if you need to practice that some more, with pretty soon we're going to practice with music. Not yet. If you need to practice that some more, pause the tape right here, and keep practicing. Pause the recording, I mean. That's Brain Primers 10. Now, the next one I want to show you is Brain Primers 11. It's a lot like 10, except the things are a little bit in a different order. You'll understand once I show you. Watch. On Brain Primers 11, number 1, that's where the right-left happens. Okay? Just so let's just practice that. Ready? 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? 2 and 3 are pretty simple. I think we can put them both in at the same time because each one is a clap. Okay? So, let's see if we can do it. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Woohoo! If you need to keep practicing, pause and practice more, and then come back to it. But if we're ready to go to 4, 4 is just like 4 in the other one. The first one's right foot, the next one's left foot. Right, then left. Okay? Let's see if we can do all of it together. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, and right, and 1, 2, 3, and left. Now you may have had trouble when it came to 1, 2, 3, right, and then having to do right again. That's the hardest part of this. Okay? So, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, and right, and 1, 2, 3, and left, and 1, 2, 3, and right, and 1, 2, 3, and left, and 1, 2, 3, and right, and 1, 2, 3, and left. That's right. It isn't easy. That's why they call it brain primers, because it challenges your brain. So that's what we're doing today. Okay? Now, if you don't have that, if you were messing up on that, don't go to the next tape yet. Practice, 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 practice. Practice makes you better. But if you've got that, then I want you to move on to the next recording, which is Brain Primers 10 with music. Practice that. Then you'll see Brain Primers 11 with music. Practice that. It's going to be slow music. Okay? Now, if you can get good at doing it with slow music, then move on to the last recording, which is Brain Primers 10 and 11 with faster music. That's not going to be easy, But if you can get good enough, then you can go and do it, all right? All right, guys, adios.